Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on the function to open the notification panel by swiping anywhere on the screen in the down direction. For example, as it is now, we have our main menu. But if you want to open our notification panel, we have to swipe from the top. Let's say we want to swipe anywhere on the screen from the top. So to do this, we have to go to the settings. Then we're looking for home screen option. And down we have here, swipe down for notification panel. So check this little box, open notification panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. Let's test it out. Swipe down and here are our notifications. We don't have to go to the edge to swipe it. We can swipe wherever we want on the screen. And down is our main menu, up is our notifications. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.